Do you know? Just 5 special letters can change the way we speak English. Let's find out. Hey kiddos, today we will learn vowels and consonants in a fun and super easy way. Welcome to Riyanka's World of Rhymes and Tales. First, let's learn vowels. These are vowels A, E, I, O, U. They are special because when we say them, our mouth stays open. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These are called vowels. Now, what about the other letters? They are called consonants. B, C, D, F, and many more. Is A vowel or a consonant? 3, 2, 1. Vowel. Now, what about B? Vowel or consonant? 3, 2, 1. Consonant. Now you know vowels and consonants. Great job! In the next video, we will learn how to use A and N correctly. Bye-bye. And for that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.